on a silver stream. Find the comfort in the in-between. The sky unfolds with threads of gold. Soft horizons take their hold. The echoes hum where shadows part, flowing comfort through the heart. Let it flow, let it rise like the